It's me again, and today's video is going to be on how to do a high messy bun. So, if you guys hear any noise in the background, just ignore it. It's my parents, and yeah, they're just talking to each other. And excuse my hair, please, because I just took it out of a braid, and it's pretty frizzy and messy. So, I like to start out with dampening my hair with some water. So I put some water in a spray bottle and I just spritz it. I'm going to take my glasses off and just spritz it in my hair. Get it underneath, throughout my hair. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to take my nice old brush. It's by Goody. It's a nice blue big brush. Alright, so as I was saying, I'm going to take my brush, it's by Goody, and right before I brush through my hair, I'm going to spritz some water so it's nice and damp. Then I'll just brush through my hair like I always do. And I recommend this brush only because if you have thick hair like I do, it gets through your hair nicely without hurting your head. So I'm just going to brush through my hair. Alright. So now that my hair is almost brushed through, I will be getting my ponytails out. So I like to use the thick black ponytails, and I like to wrap it around 3 times when I do my buns. So when I first start, I'm going to take half of my hair and go like this, like a half up. And then I will take my brush and I will swoop back my hair. And just get it nice and flat. And then I will just get all the rest of my hair up into a nice high ponytail. So, as I keep pulling my hair up, I'm just going to remember to keep my hand up here and to keep it nice and straight. And I'm just going to smooth out my hair. Just going to keep smoothing it out until I'm ready to put in my ponytail. Alright, so now that I'm ready to put in my ponytail, I am going to take my ponytail and put my hair in it. So there's once, twice, and 3 times. And I'm just going to pull it tight. Now as you can see, now I have a high ponytail. So in order to get that nice bun that everyone wants, I am going to take my hair and split it into 2. So as I do that, I'm going to twist my hair so it's nice and twisted and ready for the bun. So I'm just going to twist to the bottom. So now that I'm at the bottom, I'm going to twist my hair into a nice bun, and I am going to put a ponytail around it. I only go twice around. And then I'm going to pull apart the bun so it looks more messy and nice. And then what I do after this is I take my little spritzer and I just get all my hair all soaked with water, and I just get all my flyaways up and pat it on my bun. Then I take a scrunchie. I'm going to wrap it around like this. So I have a little bit of color and it'll move my bun up. Now I put my glasses back on and I go throughout my day. So this is how you do a messy bun. This is what it looks like from the top. So that is how you do a messy bun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and comment down below some more video ideas, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.